let us talk about one of nature's most powerful plant, moringa. This plant has been called the miracle tree for a reason. It's packed with nutrients, boosts energy, and has a long list of health benefits. But what exactly makes moringa so special? Stick around, and let's dive into the amazing benefits of using this plant. First up, moringa is packed with nutrients. Moringa is packed with vitamin A, great for your vision and skin; vitamin C, boosts your immune system; vitamin E, fights free radicals and helps with anti-aging; calcium, strengthens bones; potassium, supports heart and muscle function; protein, a great plant-based source of essential amino acids. Would you believe that moringa has 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 4 times more calcium than milk? It's like a natural multivitamin straight from the earth. So instead of relying on supplements, why not get your nutrients from something natural like moringa? It boosts energy naturally. We all need an energy boost now and then, right? But too much caffeine can lead to crashes. Moringa is high in iron and antioxidant content. Moringa helps improve oxygen flow in your body, giving you steady energy throughout the day, without the jitters or crashes. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen in your blood, and moringa is one of the richest plant-based sources of iron. If you often feel tired or weak, adding moringa to your diet will help. It strengthens your immune system. Moringa is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting off illness. Its high vitamin C content, combined with powerful antioxidants, helps strengthen your immune system, making it easier to fight off colds, flu, and even infections. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which means it can help protect your body against infections. A simple cup of moringa tea a day can do wonders for your overall health. It supports healthy skin and hair. Who doesn't want glowing skin and strong hair? Moringa is loaded with vitamins A and E, which help keep your skin soft and hydrated while reducing signs of aging. It also promotes hair growth and reduces dandruff, thanks to its antibacterial properties. Whether you drink it as tea or use moringa oil directly on your skin, your body will thank you. It helps to regulate your blood sugar levels. If you struggle with blood sugar spikes, moringa might help. Studies have shown that moringa can reduce blood sugar levels naturally, making it a great supplement for people with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Of course, always consult with your doctor before making changes to your diet, but adding moringa to a healthy lifestyle could be a game changer. It also supports digestion and gut health. If you suffer from bloating or digestive issues, moringa can help. It contains fiber, which supports digestion and promotes a healthy gut. It's also known to have mild detoxifying effects, helping to cleanse your body naturally. Whether you drink moringa tea, take it as a powder, or even eat fresh leaves, your digestive system will thank you. So, how can you include moringa in your daily routine? It's super versatile. Here are a few ways to enjoy it. Tea. Brew fresh or dried moringa leaves in hot water. Smoothies. Add a teaspoon of moringa powder to your morning smoothie. Soups and salads. Sprinkle fresh moringa leaves over your meals. Capsules. If you're always on the go, moringa supplements are available too.